And validation. Obviously, we're going to do high pot tests on the stators, make sure the stators are performing correctly from a electrical standpoint. We can do overspeed testing of rotors, make sure we're not going to, your rotor won't blow up until whatever RPM. We've met your design intent. Environmental testing of systems, back EMF testing, and obviously a lot of dimensional CMM reviews that are required for these types of parts. So really taking you through at the very beginning when we want to start working with motor designers to make sure that we make the system as manufacturable as possible. We can make the most exotic system and make it a hand build process. We can make something that's more economical materials and automate the process. And where does your application fit? Between all that and engaging upfront, motor designers with manufacturing engineers is extremely beneficial for the outcome of the system.